Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how you can recover or restore your deleted YouTube channel. If you have deleted your YouTube channel accidentally or it has been permanently deleted by YouTube by copyright violations, is there any legal way, is there any genuine way by which we can restore our deleted YouTube channel? In this video, I am not going to show you any hack or any trick, but we will go into legality, how we can restore a YouTube channel. So without wasting your time, let us go into this.
What you have to do, you have to open your any browser, whether it is Chrome browser, whatever browser you are using, and you have to log in with the same email that was attached to your YouTube channel, right? If you are logged in with your Google account, then you have simply type here restore branded account, restore branded account, then you have to click, right? There will be first option manage your brand account Android, and another one will be manage your brand account Android YouTube help. You have to click on the first. On clicking, you will find the interface like this. You have to go down, find your account section, and on number 2 there is a go to the brand account section. You have to click here, right? When you click here, you will find your deleted account here. In my case, I have not deleted any account, but still my brand account is there. Say tech brand account. I suppose if you have deleted your YouTube channel, then your that deleted channel will appear here, deleted account. Then you have to click on that account. Here I have to delete this, but in your case, there will be option restore account in place of delete account. You have simply click on this restore account. Okay. After that, you have to enter your password. Boom, your YouTube channel will be restored within minutes. That is only for those who want to restore their brand accounts. Now, what for those whose YouTube channel was not a brand account? Those guys whose YouTube channel was not a brand account, there is one way what they have to do. They have simply go to Chrome or whatever browser. They have to log in into a Gmail account, right? They have to account in their Gmail account. Your Gmail account will look like this. Then you have to click there and you have to click on manage your Google account. On clicking manage your Google account, then you have to go to data and privacy. This is data and privacy. On clicking data and privacy, you have to go to down. You have to look for restore account option. See guys, before 2025 there was a restore option there, but after 2025 there is no such option here for non-branded accounts. So what non-brand account will do, they have to simply tag YouTube creators or YouTube India, YouTube Pakistan from respective countries, and they have to mention their link, YouTube channel link there, and they have to contact with the YouTube team. There is only one legal or genuine way of those channels that were not branded accounts to contact with the YouTube team. So if you like this video, please hit like. Thank you.
I hope guys you have enjoyed your video. If you like the video and if you found it informative, please do share, like and subscribe. Thank you.